Do you know who your target market is? Do you have a strategy for what you want to achieve in your videos? Do you know where you want to go to place your videos for maximum impact? In this video, I want to share with you some tips on how to identify a strategy for your videos. Video is one of the most powerful tools you can use in your business. Now, whether it's on or offline business. But before you start to make your first video, you should do some strategic preparation. This will ensure that you maximize the return on the resources that you're going to commit to using this powerful marketing tool. Okay, the first tip is to identify your target audience. So who are they? What do you want them to know? Where do they hang out? Who has them before you so you can maybe access them through a joint venture arrangement? How old are they? What gender are they? Are they familiar with your product or service? What action will you want them to take? You need to be able to answer all these questions before making a video. The second tip is the power of one. Your video should have one clear purpose and only contain one key message. So, is it going to be for marketing, sales, list building, use it as a website welcome video, giving expert tips? Is it a how-to instructional video or a series of videos, training or some other reason? The third tip is to take the time to plan your content. You need to create compelling content. It's not about making a video on anything just to make a video. The content must be relevant to your audience and clearly explained. I didn't just think one day, I'll make a series of a couple of videos and just pulled out the camera and started recording. I sat down and worked out what topics about planning your videos I could make useful and informative videos on for you. And my final tip is for you to identify your big picture strategy. That is, what are the reasons you want to go to all the trouble and hassle of making or ideally some videos? So let me share with you the reasons behind why I've made Video Made Easy. I have a plan. No, not world domination. I've created Video Made Easy for 3 major reasons. And I'll share these reasons with you because I want you to start thinking about the reasons you will have to make your videos. All right, the first reason is to provide you with valuable, relevant, and easy to follow guides about all the aspects of making videos so you can start making kick-ass videos today and well into the future. Then to add further value, I created checklist PDF documents and that so that, for each video so you can do exercises and activities, and you'll find those below each video. But do make sure that you download and complete them so you can apply the knowledge you get from these videos to your business. Now, the second reason I'm making this series of videos is to build a connection and ideally a level of trust with you and others who view them. For me, Video Made Easy is a labor of love, and it's a way for me to help as many people as possible to take the fear and mystery out of video creation and production. And the third reason is so that I have a product that will leave a legacy in the world. It'll make a positive difference and not only to you and others, but also to those micro businesses I'll be supporting in third world countries. You need to find your reasons for making videos, hopefully beyond just to make money. Yeah, I'm sure you've got a message that you want to get into the world. Am I right? Okay, in the next video in this module, you'll learn the 4 questions on PMTD to ask yourself when planning your videos. Now remember, to believe, begin, and become. Believe in yourself, begin creating your legacy, and become who you truly are.